Standard 4th. Subject English. Chapter The Hare and the Tortoise. Children, today we are going to read a story. You might have heard it. This story is about hare and tortoise. Once a hare and a tortoise decided to have a race. The hare was proud of himself. He said to the tortoise, "You are so slow and I am so fast. Let us run a race up to the mango tree." The race began. The hare ran with long leaps. Hop, hop, hop. The tortoise walked slowly. Seeing him walking slowly, the hare laughed at him. He came to Carrot Patch and said to himself, "Yummy! What lovely red carrots!" The tortoise far behind. "I will eat a few carrots." But he ate a lot of carrots. Then the hare came to a radish patch. "Slurp! What juicy white radishes! I will eat only a few," he said. But he ate up quite a few. Then the hare came across fresh leafy vegetable patch and started eating. He ate up quite a few. The hare was now too full. He ran hoppity hop, hoppity hop. He was feeling very sleepy. So he decided to take a little nap. He slept under a tree. He slept on and on. All the while, the tortoise didn't stop. He walked on and on. Then the hare got up and went to the mango tree. But what did he see? He was surprised to see that the tortoise had already reached the mango tree and won the race. The tortoise was very happy. He laughed and said, "Ha ha ha! Slow but steady wins the race." So, children, wasn't this an inspiring story? The story says that we should never underestimate anyone and never be overconfident. Okay? Now, children, try to have answer my questions. Which two animals decided to have race? Hare and tortoise. Who wasted his time eating carrots and vegetables? Hare. Who kept on walking without waiting anywhere? Tortoise. Who won the race? Tortoise. Well done. Let's do one more activity. Now you have to read one by one along with me the phrases from the lesson. A few. Quite a few. Long leaps. On and on. All this while. Slow but steady. Now try to find these phrases from the lesson. A few. A few. Quite a few. Quite a few. Long leaps. Long leaps. On and on. On and on. All this while. All this while. Slow but steady. Slow but steady. Very good. We come to the end of our lesson. We will meet again for our next lesson. Till then, goodbye.